Harness the power of nonverbal communication in English conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting aspect of conversation that often gets overlooked: nonverbal communication. Specifically, we'll focus on how you can use it to confirm your understanding in an English conversation. This is an important part of learning to communicate effectively and naturally, so let's get started. Firstly, let's define nonverbal communication. This involves everything from our body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and even the tone of our voice. It's all about those subtle cues that can convey so much meaning without saying a single word. The beauty of nonverbal communication is that it's universal. No matter where you're from or what language you speak, certain nonverbal cues are understood worldwide. For instance, a nod typically indicates agreement or understanding, while a furrowed brow might show confusion or disagreement. Understanding these nonverbal cues can greatly enhance your English conversational skills. Here's where things get really interesting. Let's explore some nonverbal techniques you can use to show that you understand what's being said. 1. Nodding. This is probably the most straightforward. Nodding your head gently indicates that you understand what the other person is saying. 2. Eye contact. Maintaining eye contact shows that you are actively engaged and interested in the conversation. 3. Facial expressions. A smile, a raised eyebrow, a look of surprise. Your face can convey a whole range of emotions and responses. Use it to your advantage. 4. Body posture. Leaning in slightly can show that you're interested and actively listening. On the other hand, leaning back or crossing your arms might signal disinterest or disagreement. The key to becoming proficient in nonverbal communication is practice. Engage in English conversations as much as possible and pay attention to your body language. Practice maintaining eye contact, observe your facial expressions, and watch how your posture changes throughout the conversation. As you become more comfortable, these nonverbal cues will start to come naturally to you. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool in your English language learning journey. It can add depth to your conversations and help you connect on a deeper level with the people you're speaking with. Remember, communication isn't just about words. It's also about understanding the unspoken language of body cues and expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll become a master of nonverbal communication in English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.